my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is your daily technical analysis of Brent crude oil and spot gold.
ICE Brent crude oil futures. An indecisive doji cross on Friday, verging on an indecisive spinning top pattern. This after the previous session's bullish opening along White Mariposa. The upside was capped, again, by the declining mauve medium moving average, currently at 79.55, with prices closing for a second consecutive session over the very recent 50% Fibonacci line at 78.32, as well as over the 50% Fibonacci line of the April 2021 to March 22 move at 77.54. Now further down, we have the dark blue middle time, currently at 76.49, of the significant breached, but since repaired, breached but since repaired, mid-April to early July bearish shift pitchfork. Just below this, we also have the now flatlining green short medium moving average, currently 76.30, plus a lesser Fibonacci line at 76.04 and the April 2019 high at 75.58. Now further up, we have the flatlining long moving average, currently at 81.73. Overall, there are two patterns here to pay close attention to. The first one is the previously mentioned mid-April to early July dark blue breached but repaired bearish shift pitchfork. This pitchfork indicates the approximate bearish angle of attack of this market. The second is the start of September to date imperfect double bottom pattern, or double bottom type pattern, which I had mentioned earlier and which had enough of a move that it reached the primary target in the 80.22 area, but still leaves open the secondary harder to reach target X1 up in the 81.83 area. Not too far from the congestion at 81.86 and the long moving average currently at 81.73. Now I am still considering whether I should retire target X1 or not. I'd keep a wary eye on any fresh heavyweight and significant moves lower. Now, so far today, a lower open and a move down through the recent 50% Fibonacci line at 78.32 and down to test the 50% Fibonacci line at 77.54. Below this, the next support is a declining dark blue middle time. Spot gold. A second bullish white soldier on Friday, following on from the previous session's key reversal up and bullish engulfing pattern. The market halted its rise just short of the bright red upper time, currently at 26.72, of the breached, broken, but seemingly now repaired late June to late July bullish shift pitchfork, as well as the very close by 100% projected Fibonacci line at 26.75. In truth, I suspect the congestion we had seen on a closing basis over the turn of April into October, between 26.52 to 26.63, probably had more to do with it. Overall, I'm now wondering if the staleness we had seen in prices over the past month's turn, from September into October, may have worked itself out now. Further below, we have the lesser projected Fibonacci line as support at 26.02, just ahead of the bright red middle time, currently at 25.98. Whilst above the 100% projected Fibonacci line, we have the all-time high at 26.85. In the bigger picture, recent actions have tempered somewhat the break higher from the previously well-highlighted April to September broadening top pattern, though it does not negate it, not as yet. Thus, we still have target X1 topside, the secondary hard to reach target up in the 26.96 area, with the original move up and out of the broadening top pattern. The primary target in the 26.28 area was achieved 3 weeks ago. So far today, a gentle attempt higher, but limited by the bright red tine overhead and moving back down to almost unchanged, looking like an indecisive spinning top at the moment, almost unchanged for the session.
Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final important bit.